just letting everything slap and relax. So instead of making moves and trying to make postures and shapes like this, which is fine in a Tai Chi form or anything, in this you get your body rotating and moving, and you just let jazz come out. You just let it happen, so that instead of moving like this, it's being moved from here. There's a difference between it lifting here, here. Dan, can I borrow you for a second? So if I'm doing that monkey idea and he's throwing a punch at me, I just relax it here. You just don't knock it off. Sorry. Get more slower. So I'm just here and relax. You can be a little stiffer from the punch. Here. And when I want to drop or fall, then now I've got this limb very relaxed, this pull and like that, heaviness. So as here, here. So you're using your weight falling, you're using the weight falling, you're using your momentum from your shifting, you're using your relaxation like you saw in the Mentastic. So as he's coming up, instead of fighting like you just saw, like thinking, oh, I'm hitting something, which is a thought, like, oh, I'm going to hit this, or hit that, you're just doing the shape and hitting wherever you hit, turning wherever you're turning, and sinking and falling. So that's sort of the primal aspect. Let me do one more punch from over here. Is the monkey version. See, that's a typical Tai Chi type of move here, like this and like that. The monkey version, that would be here and lower, or if you want to use your legs too, here and here, and bringing everything down with you. Very relaxed. I'm not trying to force anything, and I'm not trying to push or pull him. I'm not trying to do that. It's just happening because I'm used to shifting and relaxing like this. So as he's throwing a punch, I might move here and turn, and instead of thinking, oh, I've got to strike, the monkey idea is just, well, I just turn and move, and it just happens, and I'm sinking and relaxing. You're always doing that. You see a lot of monkeys.